Welcome back to Cyber Learnings, your go-to channel for all things in tech. Welcome to this guide on using the Skillshare app, your gateway to a world of learning. Step 1. Download the Skillshare app. Go to your device's app store, find Skillshare, and hit download. Choose a membership. There's a free trial to explore. Step 2. Navigate the home screen. Start on the home screen. Search for topics or explore categories like creativity and marketing. Original and staff picks categories offer quality courses. Step 3. Find the right course. Click a class you like, and within your chosen category, explore more. Use filters like class level, creation date, and class duration. Click View to find your perfect course. Step 4. Take your class. Select a class from the list and check the introductory video for an overview. Start taking the course by watching the videos. Step 5. Build your profile. Over time, your profile will improve. Download and save classes for later. Add your interest in your profile. Earn badges and certificates as you complete courses and join the community. You're ready to dive into Skillshare's world of learning. Happy learning! Stay tuned for more tech tutorials on Cyber Learnings. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for awesome content.